Hi friends, welcome to this video. As most of you will be aware, there was a notification and a statement issued by the Ministry of Road Transport last week on making FASTags mandatory for all vehicles from December 1st, 2019. It's touted to be the Aadhaar card of all vehicles. I will leave the article link in the description and you can read more about that. It has more details. Personally, I think it's a very good move, a right step forward to decongest our national and state highways and expressways that we have in our country. It will definitely save a lot of time. But however, in this video, I'm going to talk more about how you can order your FASTag, especially from Paytm, and share my experience and how to install it in your vehicles. You may be aware that banks already have started to sell quite some time back. So I'll leave some links in the description and you can choose to order it from your banks. Amazon has also started selling as of last month, and they can give you your respective bank FASTag accounts and you can keep recharging and using it. However, Paytm was one of the first to issue this, so I'm going to focus on Paytm today. So stay tuned. So you can order your Paytm FASTag either through the mobile app or the website, but I highly recommend that you use the mobile app for a number of reasons. It's much more simpler and user friendly. So once you launch your Paytm app, you can straight away go to services of the many that Paytm has to offer, search for FASTag, and you straight away are taken to the page where you need to put in your vehicle registration number, quickly take a picture from your phone of your RC book, the front and back of it, share a delivery address, and pay the requisite amount. Right now it's 500 rupees, and of that 150 actually goes straight away into the account that gets activated. So it's pretty simple. The whole backend processing happens at their Noida facility, and thereafter they ship the actual physical copy of the FASTag to your delivery address through a Blue Dart or a DHL package, which I think is great, and you will be able to track it from your order page also. Paytm also sends you SMS confirmation about the tag getting activated, and after that all you need to do is wait for the physical package to arrive at your destination. And after this, let me tell you how my experience was and how to install it in your vehicles. So folks, my parcel with carrying the FASTag from Paytm has arrived. As you can see, it's a very nice, neat little package. Of course, you need to check your vehicle registration written at the back. As you can see, it's a Karnataka registration, so I'm from Bangalore. I checked this is accurate, so Paytm recommends that you check that so that you are not using someone else's. So the package arrived. It has a small package. Of course, it has the bill, and it took me only 500 rupees, and of which 150 really is already in my FASTag account. Now let's unpack this. So it comes with a quick starting manual. Of course, Paytm is promoting, so it has a complete form for your Paytm's bank account, and lo and behold, here is your FASTag. It's a nice little purple colored class 4 FASTag sticker. It's got 3M, so it's supposed to stick well. What you're expected to do really is to take this, stick it from the behind rear of the windshield centrally, so that the readers at the toll gates are able to read it. Now what you're really supposed to do is you need to keep your Paytm wallet topped up, and Paytm claims that for the FASTag account they will pull out certain amount of money from your main wallet, so there is no need to maintain two separate wallets. So here I am putting the FASTag in my car, so let me just peel it off. So remember, this is the sticker page side, so I'm going to place this right behind the rear view mirror,
so that it's easily accessible to the radio tags. Okay, so that's how you install. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice safe drive on our Indian highways. Thank you.